Alrighty, so if you want the activation energy, we're going to take this peak energy, and we're going to subtract off the reactant energy. So for example, if our peak, we'll say, is 90, the reactant energy down here at the beginning is 20, then that means that we need 70, we'll say, kilojoules per mole to get our reaction started. If we change that up, let's say this peak is still 90, but our reaction energy is already at 70. So this time we only need 20 kilojoules per mole to get the reaction started. Your activation energy should never be negative.